So, Bitcoin closed last week with a reversal hammer, which you can see here, and it is actually the first green candle in 9 weeks. Now, all over the news, everyone is screaming that this is the reversal pattern we've all been waiting for. But is it? This may as well be a bearish engulfing pattern about to form here. That is if this week closes in the red. Now, long story short, Bitcoin has broken all key levels you can possibly fathom. From this head and shoulders here, to breaking this previous high right here by breaking down here, to forming a bear flag right here. Now, of course, we did break down from the bear flag. And not just that, we also broke this significant zone of support here by breaking down from here. Now, you might be like, why is that so significant? What's so important about this level? When you zoom out, you will see that breaking this zone right here confirmed this double top. I'm sorry. Now, this is not meant to scare anybody. It is true that these are reversal candles, but we must not ignore that this week right here represents a lot of selling, which means that that selling might still continue here. Now, if we zoom into the 4-hourly, we will see that that week we are talking about is a double top. Now, the double top, of course, is confirmed, which means it will break to the downside. And the price target for that is $26,000. $26,000 is not just some odd number. In the 4-hourly, we also have a bear flag, which you can see right here. Now, if Bitcoin goes to 26,000, which is actually $26,600, it would have broken the support of that bear flag right here, meaning that the price target of that bear flag will be validated. So, what is the price target, you might ask? On the conservative, the target will be 18K, but on the realistic side, it will be 16K. Now, this can happen very fast. That's a bear flag. It's literally falling off a cliff. Now, it's important to note that all of this is technical analysis. On-chain analysis suggests something very different. By the way, the total crypto market cap also suggests a possible reversal here. So if we do dump hard this week, which will be on this candle right here, I will DCA, knowing the risks, of course. It is also important to remember that at these levels, Bitcoin and Ethereum are very cheap. So any buy here at these levels in 5 years will mean that you bought the absolute bottom. But of course, we want to give ourselves the chance to buy more. That's literally why we make all these analyses. So if you are DCA, which I will, have some fiat left, have stop losses.
Ethereum is going to go below $1,000. I think Ethereum is going to go to $500 and maybe even lower than that.
You know, there's actually a very easy way around this. Ethereum will go down by 90% from its all-time high, and Bitcoin will go down by 85% from its all-time high. That will put Ethereum at $480 and put Bitcoin at $10,300. Now, this is very sure. A lot of people will be like, no, this time is different. We have a longer cycle. We already had a longer cycle. You can see that here. Now, every other coin apart from Bitcoin and Ethereum will go way lower. Some will go by 95 to 99%, and some will go to absolute nothingness. Zero is what I mean. Then, in the next bull market, you will see some of them that went to extinction come back, and you'll be like, why didn't I buy? Now, hold your horses. Before we go to those figures, there will be some pumps and dumps which we can take advantage of. If you bought Ethereum around $3,500, the simple truth is it is already too late to sell. This applies to most other coins. If you followed along in this video, which I made 6 months ago, I told people that if Bitcoin closed below 63K on the daily, I will be scaling out of my positions. I usually make these predictive analysis videos on YouTube, and sometimes I can be weirdly accurate. And yes, Terra Luna here, I talked about selling it at $89 on Instagram. And no, this video was not made to bring you despair, but rather hope. I do believe Ethereum will one day be a $15,000 coin. So even at $3,500, it is cheap. And I'm going to leave you with this. If you believe in any crypto coin or token and you feel like you bought the top, just remember, this guy bought Bitcoin at 80 cents and also at $32 and it crashed to $1. Looking at it now, did he buy the top? So the other day I took a Doge position and I let you guys know on Instagram here. Now, I made some profits, but because of greed, I ended up in a loss. So I waited and sold at a 2% loss and I let you guys know here. Of course, you can pause and read. Looking at it now, it looks like I dodged a bullet right there.